Hello everyone, some of you may ask how we can create a transition from day to night. Something like this. You see, pretty amazing. Am I right? Some of you may ask how we can create something like this and what other transition we can make. If you like some kind of content, these tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. This channel will become handy in the time of the need for you to don't lose it. Now let's try to create it. At first, we need a night picture that has two things, that has a great sky and the moon, or any night picture you need. You format the background and from here insert the picture to your background. Okay, and then apply it to all. Okay, we have the picture. Now we need another picture that is a day picture. You see, these are 2 and 3 picture. I'm going to tell you about all of them. Let me at first copy them. Okay, this is a picture of the day, and this is a picture also of the day. What I do here, I just simply crop the picture. Why? Crop the picture in the Photoshop. Why? So I can create this amazing effect. It's important to can use crop effect for the best options to have in other apps like Photoshop in the time of need. You see here we have 3 pictures, 1, 2 and 3, and I create this picture in Photoshop using that. If you like, tell me in the comments. I will take the video on that and tell you how. Okay, after creating this picture, we just simply copy our text. This text has nothing special. And then for the next picture, what we are going to do, we are going to copy that. Okay, and then we are going to bring out the big picture. What picture? This picture. We are going to bring it out, but some of you may guess how we can bring it back without destroying the whole picture. It's hard. What we should do, we bring it out and then we need to align this picture. Aligning is so important. Okay, we align it. Now, after aligning, you see some problem. Then you see the problem is that the sky has not enough space for the sky to be appear. What should we do and how we can fix this problem? If you don't have any guesses, it's not important. We can fix it really easily. How we can fix it? It has a little trick. Let me have this picture and go here and try to fix it. We copy this slide. Here, we just bring it out for now. We cut these two. We have 2 pictures, one here and another here. We are going to scratch both of them a little. Okay, we scratch both of them. Do you agree? We scratch them. Now what we are going to do, we are going to bring it downer and bring this thing a little downer too. Now we scratch them another time. But before scratching, we are going to do something more amazing. What we are going to do, we are going to crop the pictures. You will understand now why we are going to use this option. We crop it to the size we have here. Okay, now we crop them. We have both pictures that we need. We increase them in size from here to fit the size we need. Can you guess what I am doing? I am making this top sky a little more than the previous one. Let you see here. We have a more sky than the previous one. You see. Okay, but it's not important. You can do this try and solving for creating that. Today video is not about that. Let me just go by this. Okay, in the newest slide, what we are going to do, we are going, oh sorry, I did it a lot. We are going to bring it out And also bring this slide a little down. You must never forget that you don't need to see the scar. Sorry, I always make it wrong. See the C that we have. We don't need to see the C we have here. Let me just put it now. Some of you may say, okay, it's great, but how this picture is going to be dark? It's really easy. We go to picture correction. Here it gave you options, but we are not going to use that. We are going to use this thing to make them darker to it become like night. For example, we can choose from the picture we have here. This is a good one, I think. And this is tell us that is night. Now set the transition to morph. Now you see it's like the animations and it's total like it's animated. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, bye.